Hello friends, welcome to Supreme Education. In previous video, we have learned one theorem about similarity and right angle triangle. Now through this video, you learn theorem of geometric mean. First we'll revise meaning of geometric mean. Suppose there are three numbers, that is a, x and b, and if a upon x is equal to x upon b, then x is said to be geometric mean of a and b. Listen again. If a upon x is equal to x upon b, means denominator of first ratio and numerator of second ratio is same, then that same number is said to be geometric mean of remaining two numbers. Then by cross multiplication we will get x into x, that is x square is equal to a into b. X square is equal to a into b. Therefore taking square roots on both sides we will get x is equal to square root of a into b. The geometric mean can be calculated by using this formula, that is x means geometric mean is equal to square root of remaining two numbers, that is a into b. Now we'll move towards theorem of geometric mean. Statement of this theorem is, in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. Statement is little bit complicated, but the meaning is very easy, and solving examples using theorem of geometric mean is also very easy and very interesting. Now this is diagram according to the statement. It is, in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex. In a right angle triangle, that is triangle PQR is right angled at point Q, and segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Now here given will be, in triangle PQR, angle PQR equal to 90 degree, segment QS is perpendicular to PR and P dash S dash R. In triangle PQR, angle PQR equal to 90 degree, segment QS is perpendicular to PR and P dash S dash R. Now here we have to prove the perpendicular segment is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. Now the perpendicular segment is segment QS is the geometric mean of the two parts or of the two segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. Now because of segment QS, the hypotenuse is divided in two parts, and these two parts are segment PS and segment SR. Therefore we have to prove segment QS is geometric mean of segment PS and segment SR. Means we have to prove QS square is equal to PS into SR. To prove is QS square is equal to PS into SR. Now next and last step is to write proof. Now look at these two triangles, that is triangle QSR and triangle PSQ. These two triangles are similar, which are colored triangles. These are similar by using previously proved theorem, that is the theorem about similarity and right angle triangle. I'll repeat that statement here again. In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. In a right angle triangle PQR, altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, that is segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Hence the two triangles formed because of this altitude are triangle QSR and triangle PSQ, and these two triangles are similar to each other and similar to the original triangle. Now we will take only this pair of similarity, that is triangle QSR, that is pink color triangle, and triangle PSQ. These two triangles are obviously similar to each other by using that previously proved theorem. This triangle QSR is similar to triangle PSQ by using that theorem, that is similarity of right angle triangle. Now since these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. Now out of these three ratios, we'll take only two ratios that we want, that is QS upon PS. is equal to SR upon SQ. QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ. Therefore, QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ is nothing but QS. Only the difference between these two statements is replacing SQ by QS. Both are same. Hence, by cross multiplication, we will get QS into QS, that is QS square, is equal to PS into SR. Therefore, we will get QS square is equal to PS into SR. Hence, according to the meaning of geometric mean, QS is, or segment QS is the geometric mean of segment PS and segment SR. In this way, we have proved theorem of geometric mean. Thank you.